In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automation workflow in Brevo from scratch. By the end, you'll know how to go from login to launch with a clear, reliable process that you can reuse for future campaigns. First, log into your Brevo account. Make sure you're signing in securely, and if you have it, use two-factor authentication to protect your data. Once you're on the dashboard, head to the automations area. This is where all your automated customer journeys live. Inside automations, go to workflows. Think of a workflow as a sequence of steps that Brevo follows automatically based on what your contacts do. Next, click on Create an Automation. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts everything. Pick the one that best matches your goal. For example, the trigger could be when someone joins a list, submits a form, or completes a purchase. If you're unsure, start with a simple, high-intent trigger so you can test quickly and learn how your audience responds. After choosing your trigger, set a rule or define the next action. Rules act like filters or conditions that narrow down who proceeds in the workflow. You might specify that only contacts from a certain segment continue, or that they must meet a particular attribute. Keeping your rules focused will make your automation more relevant and reduce noise in your reporting. Now add your action. A common first action is sending an email. Choose or create your email, double-check the sender details, subject line, and content, and make sure any personalization fields are correctly mapped. You can chain additional actions to shape the journey, such as adding a short delay before a follow-up email, updating a contact attribute, or moving someone to a different list, so the experience feels natural over time. Keep things simple for your first run. It's better to start with one or two actions and iterate once the data comes in. Before activating, test thoroughly. Use a test contact or a small internal segment to run through the workflow from start to finish. Confirm the trigger fires as expected, the right rules apply, and the email renders well on desktop and mobile. Check links, images, and any dynamic content. Review logs or event history to make sure each step executes in the order you intended. If anything looks off, pause, adjust, and retest until it's smooth. When your test results look good, you're ready to activate the workflow and let it run. That's it, you've created a clean, effective automation in Brevo.